A parade of 4 different contingents of paramilitary forces was witnessed at the start of the Republic Day celebrations in Shillong. As part of the program, an inspection of the Guard of Honor by the chief guest on the occasion, the Governor of Meghalaya, SATYAPAL MALLICK, was conducted, while a tableau of various departments of the state government was seen displaying promotional activities as well as information to the public on various issues pertaining to health services, water harvesting, soil conservation, the SWAACH BHARAT mission, agriculture, horticulture, rural development and fisheries.
Simon, Ganatantra Divas parade for SAR contingent parade for Hazri Haq.
It is a matter of pride to mention that JUO Rohit Chetri represented last year's Republic Day Parade 2020 at the Honorable Prime Minister's rally, in which the
Ladies and gentlemen, the next tableau on display is by the District Agriculture and Horticulture Officers. The theme being projected is Har Khet Ko Pani, which means per drop, more crop. Per drop, more crop is, ladies and gentlemen, the tableau of the District Agriculture and Horticulture Officers. Ladies and gentlemen, the next tableau on display is a collaborated effort by the Office of the Director of Health Services MI and the District Medical and Health Officer. And ladies and gentlemen, the tableau by the Office of the Director of Health Services MI in collaboration with the District Medical and Health Office. Ladies and gentlemen, the tableau by the Office of the Divisional Forest Officer, Social Forestry Divisions.
Generation, thereby uplifting the economy of the household, the mini processing unit and the village as a whole. Ladies and gentlemen, the tableau from the Department of Fisheries.
As part of the award ceremony, the Governor of Meghalaya, SATYAPAL MALLICK, presented recipients with the Meghalaya State Awards. The Ul Tirot Singh Award for Arts and Literature was presented to noted artist, filmmaker, playwright and author Rafael Wajri. The recipient of the Pa Togan Sangma Award for Social Services was Reverend Dilseng M. Sangma, while the Kiang Nangba Award for Sports and Games was awarded to Hame Shanya Suyam for his excellence in martial arts. Also being recognized for their services were members of the Health Department, Public Health Engineering and others. Awards for Best Tableau were also presented during the ceremony.